Imagine an ancient glorious ship, the very one sailed by the hero Theseus. It's so treasured that as its wooden planks rot, they are replaced one by one. Over the years, every single piece of the original ship is swapped out. The question is it still the same ship? This is the heart of the paradox. If every single component has been replaced, it shares no physical matter with the original vessel. Yet it has maintained its form, its name, and its function continuously. So where does the shipness of the Ship of Theseus actually live? Is it in the materials or in the pattern and history? To make things even more confusing, what if someone collected all the old discarded planks and reassembled them in a warehouse? Now you have two ships. One is the ship that's been continuously maintained in the harbor, and the other is a ship built from all the original parts. Which one is the true Ship of Theseus? Philosophers have debated this for centuries. Heraclitus would argue that everything is in a constant state of change. So the ship was never truly the same from one moment to the next anyway. Aristotle might suggest focusing on its formal cause, its design and purpose, which persists even as the material changes. For humans, John Locke argued that personal identity lies in our consciousness and memories, not our physical matter. This isn't just an abstract puzzle. It applies to us. Your body is constantly replacing its cells. In about 7 to 10 years, almost every atom in your body will have been replaced. Are you the same person you were a decade ago? The paradox also applies to brands that change logos, bands that switch members, or historical buildings that get restored. What truly defines their identity? The beauty of the Ship of Theseus is that there's no single, universally accepted answer. It's a tool for thinking. It challenges our intuitive ideas about identity and forces us to define what it means for something or someone to persist through time and change. So what do you think? Which ship is the real one? Let us know in the comments.